As we approach the new year, resolutions can positively impact our work and personal lives. Fire service leaders might consider a simple yet meaningful change. Replace my department with our department. Using our department fosters a sense of shared responsibility and inclusiveness. This small change can have big impacts, particularly on recruitment, retention, and creating a more welcoming culture for new generations of firefighters. It signals that every member, from seasoned veterans to the newest recruits, is an integral part of the team. Referring to it as our department also acknowledges the community and family connections, spouses, friends, officials, and supporters, who play a part in the department's success. This language can strengthen relationships with community leaders as well, reinforcing the idea that public safety is a collective responsibility. In budget discussions or negotiations, reminding others that it's our department can sway decisions by emphasizing shared ownership. While this shift in language isn't a cure-all, it's a resolution worth trying. Let's see how our can foster teamwork, accountability, and community support across the fire service.